Good evening. Welcome to Manil Restaurant. How many people are in your party tonight?
Hi, it's just the two of us.
Great. Right this way, please. Here are your menus. Can I get you started with something to drink? We have water, soda, wine, and a few cocktails.
I will have a glass of red wine, please.
I will just have sparkling water, thanks.
Sure, I will be right back with your drinks.
Are you ready to order? Or would you like a few more minutes?
I think we're ready. I will have the grilled salmon, please.
And I will have the steak. Medium rare.
Perfect choice. Anything to go with that? We have a nice selection of sides. Mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, and a house salad.
I will have the salad on the side, please.
Mashed potatoes for me.
Great, I will get that order in for you.
Food was served and eaten. Later on.
How's everything tasting? Is everything to your liking?
It's delicious. Thank you.
Yes, everything's perfect, thanks.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu? Or perhaps some coffee?
I think we're good for now, thank you. See you later.